Hey, hello. So I just wanted to go over a quick tidbit here. Chase has been updating a bunch of snapshots, and I had a question, like how do you update a current account with the new snapshot? And there's a couple ways to do it. One, you can just update the entire profile or sub-account with the snapshot, or you can copy and paste elements back and forth between sub-accounts. So I'm going to show you how to upload the snapshot to a current sub-account that's already available, so I'm going to update it. So first of all, I go here. This is Chase's new update as he updated here. So you just click on here and click on the update. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to download an update. And eventually what's going to happen, it's going to pop into my account here. Yes, I want to import. And so there it is right now. There's the update right here that I just did. And as you can see, I just did it about 15 minutes ago, so I have two of them. All right. So now, question: how do I get it into an active profile or sub-account? Okay. So up here in the top right, if you're in, you should be in the agency side of the profile, so the agency dashboard, which is the highest level of the Go HighLevel environment. Okay, this is where that if you were going to sell this as a service instead of as a affiliate, this is just a whole another ball game that you want to get into. But with that being said, here's my snapshots, right? I uploaded. Here's the ones I imported. The first thing I want to do before I do anything is make a backup. Okay, this is my method of backing up. You can create your own. So create a new snapshot. So I use a method where I use backup date, and I'm going to make another version 2, and this is going to be for my sub account FAIG test account. Okay, that's what I do, and you're going to see here there's the FIG test account. So I'm going to make a backup of that. So if something happens where something was wonky with that snapshot that Chase provided, I have a place to go back to. So here I have the opportunity to select what I want to back up and what I don't, and then just create. In just a few minutes it will pop up here, version 2, and it takes a little bit of time depending on how much data you have in there for a backup. So now that that's done, how do we upload that snapshot? So if you click over here, go to sub accounts and client list. So again, if you were doing this as a SaaS opportunity where you're selling, you have a white label, that's the higher level of Go HighLevel. This is where you would manage all your clients and what they can and cannot do. But here is that my FAIG test account. You want to go into manage clients. So you click on the manage client here, and you have a whole bunch of information. And if you click on here, under actions, the little caret, you have load snapshots. Okay? So you click on here, load snapshots. Now, this is where you have the option to specify which snapshot you want to load. Now, this is also where you can, if you have made a backup and you want to go back to it, you have that option to go back and upload that or recall that update to make any kind of corrections. I just want to make a note of that just in case you go to this and something happens. Now, here is the one I just downloaded. I'm going to click on that and click proceed. Now, you have the option to skip everything or skip certain things by clicking these plus and minus arrows. plus and minus signs, and you can select anything that you want, or deselect anything that you want. So as you can see here, you have all these options here. Chase really just dump it right out. And I'm just going to select it as it is and just proceed. And here you have a little timer, and this is pretty quick. And so it's asking me, do I want to overwrite or update anything? Probably because nothing has really changed. So in this particular case, I'm just going to skip anything that's not new. And go all the way to the bottom here and just proceed. And click OK. And once that's all done, click here. You can switch back to the account. And I'm going to go down here to automate. And I can tell you right now that this was in here before, and here's all the updated stuff. So pretty simple. Hope this is helpful. Talk to you guys later. Bye.